Productions / Mixed Chicks. Mixed Chicks are more like with friends, advice kind of thing, but D&D Productions more like music videos and songs and stuff. But yeah.
Yeah, so I'm Dayashi.
And I'm Danielle.
And we're both 13.
And we're in the 8th grade.
Yeah, this is my bestie right here.
Oh, bestie.
For like 9 years.
She hit me.
She agreed to be friends, so that's how we got here. No, but like she was saying before, first thing about D&D Productions. D&D Productions is about like music videos and everything like that we're gonna put out there for y'all, and like comment back on that, make sure we're doing good and stuff. If you want to be in it, you know, just give us a call or whatever.
We'll put
information's down in the little box thingy. And and for Mixed Chicks is with our friends, because most of us are all mixed.
We'll do theirs and
yeah,
probably propose to people if we're stupid enough.
Yeah, like it's gonna be so much fun. So that pretty much concludes our Ratchet introduction. So
and that's like 10 seconds or so. Time, so yeah.
Yeah, so we really have nothing much to say. So like, keep watching if you want to see the bloopers of this, because they're quite funny. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're D&D Productions along with Mixed Chicks. Let's start over.
D&D Productions as long.
Hey,
we're D&D Productions and / Mixed Chicks.
You laugh.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got that. I got that video.
Oh.
Okay,